Now I got it.
48, 42,
Check this
19,
baby out.
35, 69, 53, 103, 68, 81, 94.
And that red just pops.
61, 10,
Yeah, it's a really good color.
108, 3, 33, 111, 96, 30.
Going down to Catholic Central Shore tomorrow for the car show.
Oh, is there one going on down there tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm going down there. Right there on Lake, Catholic Central High School.
Stripping out an Aztec. I'm measuring the seats. I'm like, damn, they're working my Grand Prix. Put the driver's seat in.
Yeah?
The stool's too tall.
Oh.
Well, he's in it right now. I drove down here with it. Yeah, I'll test it, see how it feels. I know I'm way up in the ceiling.
Beautiful color here.
Hey, there were 369 Trans Ams in the same building.
Yeah?
You don't see those.
No, they kind of, I don't know what happened to them all.
One was for sale, $154,000.
Ooh.
One owner car.
All right, I'm told I'm walking around to announce the raffle numbers as they get pulled. Let's just hope the batteries are good. The mics. If all the static, you'll know that we did not have a good battery mic. All right, our first raffle is the kids' basket of Hot Wheels.
You got a YouTube tape channel?
There was a
Right
quick
here.
draw this. Why don't you reach in there and pull me out a ticket?
I guess I'm
Look,
check
look it up, man.
All right.
Give me a like,
It's
too,
a
if you
red
can.
ticket for the kids' Hot Wheels. It is 747 969. 747 969. That is the kids' Hot Wheels. Next up is the kids' H2O
Oh,
basket.
Miss Michigan again.
Reach right in there, grab me
Her
that one.
sister. And her sister. There they are.
It's
And her grandpa. And her grandpa.
645
Little brother.
293. 645 293. Pink Afghan. And Pink Afghan. Reach in there, give me a pink Afghan. A red ticket for the Pink Afghan. 747 833. 747 833. Tool gift basket. Some tools up here. I did this one, you weren't looking. Six 45412. 645 412.